Welcome. In this video I will show you how to troubleshoot an issue when you hear no sound during calls on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So first of all, check the volume of the sound by simply pressing volume buttons. Try to increase the volume sound to the maximum, and also check the mixer of the media by tapping this arrow icon, and check if you see the media, the call sound here separately, and try to increase the sound level for it specifically. And besides, let's also check the settings. Let's go to First of all, let's go to Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth to make sure that the sound doesn't get rerouted to our Bluetooth device. And in this settings, let's select Sound and Vibration. Here you can check all the media, the sound for all the media types on your device, and here you can increase the sound volume level for calling specifically. And also go to DTS sound. Try to disable DTS sound and see if it works better without it. You can also change the content type to any other one you see right here if the smart selection isn't working well for you, and you can also try to close all the recent applications except for the one you're calling with. Then you can also restart the tablet by holding down the power button and selecting restart option on the screen. And if it didn't help you, then try to clean the stereo dynamics on both sides of your tablet using a soft brush. Do not use any metallic tools, just clean them gently with the soft brush to try to remove any potential dirt or debris that could have got stuck in there. And that's basically it. So as the last resort, you can also reset your tablet completely by going to Settings, scrolling down to System and Update, and then select Reset Options and select Erase All Data, and then confirm. Or you can also check if maybe it's a common issue and you can get rid of it by updating your system. So just go to System Update and check if you have any available updates for your device, and if you do, then first of all, install the update, restart your tablet to apply changes, and try once again. Then if this won't work, you can perform a factory reset operation and as a last resort. However, be aware that this will erase all data from your tablet, so first of all, back it up either in the cloud, in the external cloud, or on your computer. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.